Hi everybody, it's week 2 and this will be a super quick video. I just want to let you know that I sent out an announcement about discussion board posts. Just a reminder of things that you probably know super well, but I just wanted to make sure so that I can give you the full 10 points for that, which is what I love to do. So if you could just double check that announcement, that'd be great. There is a discussion board this week, so please don't forget to post by Wednesday at 11:59. Respond to 2 peers on separate days so that you're in the discussion board looking at maybe responses that you got, and you could even keep the conversation going if you want to, though it is not required and it's not part of the rubric. So that's just kind of a personal choice, but in a classroom we'd be able to have rich discussions, and this is our sort of the only way that we can do that in this asynchronous environment. What I want to do is just go over the 2.2 assignment. I want to make note to you that this is a 4 to 5 page essay that is going to be due this week. So it will take some time. You're going to find 2 sources at a minimum that are going to support your understanding and idea as you reflect on the changes and evolution of special education acts that have occurred over the last decades. And you're going to look at those changes and you're going to share your thoughts based on these 2 parts of the prompt. Please remember that the scholarly research sources relating to the topic, you need to have at least 2 additional ones and have at least 1 in-text citation from each source to be included, which is all stated here. If you are not a confident writer, if that's not your strength, and you receive a score that is lower than you might like, please remember or know or hear that I do let you revise and resubmit written work. I don't do it for the regular assignments that are module assignments that are not essays, but for essays and longer papers, I absolutely do, because I know we're kind of all coming from different experience levels with writing. So just once you receive your score, if you feel that you'd like to make the corrections, what you do is you go back in and look at my feedback and make those corrections and then resubmit it. If you have any questions about that, please let me know. It's not something that I often have to do, but I do like to offer it for students that request it. Okay, so that is it for the week. Please remember to read the required readings and resources. And then I do recommend, though it is a supplemental reading, I really think this is important, especially for those of you that are in the EDAD program, just to make sure that you feel comfortable with Section 504, as it is super duper important, and you're going to find that as a principal and a gen ed teacher, these are things that really come into play for us special educators, even though they're outside of what we do with IEPs. They are often maybe a launching pad to an IEP, and we also want to understand the differences between those items. So thank you and have a great week.